Have you ever wondered why some people jump from one relationship to another? Or why do some people feel anxious to start another relationship soon after a breakup? This stems from unresolved relationship problems which many couples often ignore. Some issues are absolute deal breakers in a relationship, and we will tell you how to resolve them. What is the first thing couples do when they fight? Many of them go silent without communicating their feelings, and that's how the communication gap starts. The end result of the communication gap is almost always frustration and unhappiness. To improve communication, first understand that it's a two-way thing. Work on identifying where your conversations are breaking down, and don't expect your partner to read your mind. Be open and honest about your feelings and be a good listener as well. Practicing these can seriously mend and improve your relationship. Many relationship problems are sex-based, and maybe you think you excel in satisfying your partner, but in reality, you don't. We are not saying sex and intimacy are the most important things, but they are definitely a big part of any relationship. The key is to stay open to each other. Speak out about your needs and then think together about how you want to go forward with it. Financial burdens, lack of money, and overspending are all common issues that can put unnecessary pressure on relationships. Discuss your finances when your relationship gets serious and be honest about any debt you may have. And honestly, in today's world, if you see your partner being irresponsible with money, then it's better to either discuss it or rethink the whole relationship. Are you one of those people who feel jealous and insecure when your partner appreciates someone from the opposite sex? Well, this behavior too can take a toll on your relationship. Sometimes jealousy comes from a past cheating incident, so it is a fragile problem to deal with. If you know for sure that your partner is cheating, then move on. But if you are scared to trust your partner due to any past incident, then we suggest you learn to trust your partner without imagining things. Okay, listen. Life is not a movie, and whatever you see couples doing on social media is never real. If you see a man gifting an expensive car to his girlfriend on social media or vice versa, and then expect the same from your partner who is not capable of doing the same, then sorry to burst your bubble. That's not how life works. We all have limitations as individuals, and you must respect them. If you want your relationship to work, then you should work on these issues. And remember, if it's meant to be, it will be. Do let us know if this helped and stay tuned to SHOWSHA for more relationship advice.